Hi everyone, let's take a look at how to determine wind and snow loads. When you're in the software, head to the customer tab. Very important that you have the name, street address, suburb, state, postcode, and an email address. Once you have that, you can head across to the engineering tab and you'll notice at the top of the screen, shed safe. You'll notice next to that there's some red text indicating that site check is not up to date. You need to click on the shed safe logo. It will open a separate tab and you'll be able to scroll in on a map from the address that you've already put in, and you will see your building located on the site. Now you'll want to relocate that building to the exact position, and you'll do that by double clicking on the site and then using the compass tool at the top to orientate the building to the correct location. Once it's there, you'll click Auto Calc. Now, it's important that you get a positive result. The program will tell you if you don't. What's also important to realize is that the program is now looking at the site specifically, taking into account the buildings around and working out the shielding. Now, if you know that something's different on the site and you feel you're justified to make a change, then you can make a change through these questions below. Be aware, however, if you do that, you will not be able to get automated engineering. To use automated engineering, you need to let the site check system do it 100%. Once you're at the situation where you've auto-calced, you can then click Save. That will then take that information through to the program and you can continue on. You'll notice at the top that it's green and it says it's up to date. Now, occasionally, the shed safe site will be down or there'll be an error and this will return to red or will remain red. You will need to repeat the process until you get the green. Now, if you are using Revolutio in the ACT building systems, that's slightly different. It's very important to have the correct details in terms of names and address. When you're on the engineering tab, however, you'll note, again with red text, that it needs to update the information. What we're looking for here is the longitude and latitude codes, which you can see are in here. But what we need to do is verify that. So what we'll do is we'll click on the verify longitude and latitude. Again, it will take us through to the site and we will then locate, we'll turn that to satellite so that we can actually see that. And we can determine that that is the area on the map that I want my building. So I will right click on that and you will notice it will bring up a longitude and latitude. Once you've right clicked on it, you can then go back to the program, and in the program you can then highlight the existing one and then paste in Control V the actual longitude and latitude of the site. Now, once you've done that, click Lookup. It's fetching the data specifically for that longitude and latitude, and you'll notice that it will come up green once it's done that. And there we go. Now it's up to date. And again, you can now move forward, continue with that building, knowing that CheckWind has provided the correct information for you to calculate that building. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to ACT support at support@actbuildingsystems.com. We're here to make it easy, here to help you. Thank you.